Good morning, children. Today is 29th of June and again I'm back with a new exercise in grammar. Exercise number 11, that is the simple and progressive tenses. You can see in the book, the simple form of the present tense is used to express what is stated as always true in the nature of things. Means the sentence what we express is absolutely true. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Means you have learned in your geography, that is SST, that the earth revolves around the sun. And then river flows into seas, and we see with our eyes, hear with our ears, and smell with our noses. This I have taught you in the previous class also, and so today it's in the form of revision. So quickly have a look at the exercises. Just have a look quickly. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. The first one has been done for you as an example. Just quickly have a look, because this I have taught you, and this again I am showing it for revision. You should revise it. See. It's clearly visible. You can see each and every thing. It's clearly visible. It's just for the sake of revision. I have written it carefully and it's clearly visible to you also. Again, in the next page, here only one fill in the blanks, that is are leaving. And here and in the last page, now we come to a new exercise, that is the present and the past perfect tenses. See the present perfect tense. Quickly have a look, because I have taught you all the tenses, and just to recall you all, see, the present perfect tense is written using has, have plus the past participle form of the verb. The present perfect tense denotes an action that has been completed recently. Means we have done some action and which is completed just recently, just a short while ago. I have just completed the project. Means the writer was working on a project and he has just completed it. Okay. He has already completed the project and they have not yet completed the project. See, there are 3 examples given. First example, the writer has just completed the project. In the second, he has already completed the project. And in the third, they have not yet completed the project. Means they are still working on it. And see the exercises. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. The first one has been done for you as an example. You can see it's clearly visible. Everything is clearly visible. The present and the past perfect tenses. And again, identify the errors in the following sentences and correct them. The first one has been done for you. See, first you have to identify the error. There are some errors in the sentences, and then you have to write the correct form. Okay, you have to correct it. So I have underlined the errors and then corrected it. See the second sentence, the train arrived just now. The train arrived just now. So here I have underlined arrived. The correct form is the train has arrived just now. It's in the present perfect tense. Same, the third sentence, my grandfather has celebrated his 65th birthday last Tuesday. See, the word used here is last Tuesday, and then the writer has used has celebrated. Has is in the present tense. So this sentence is completely wrong. So I have underlined it, and the correct form is here celebrated. My grandfather celebrated his 65th birthday last Tuesday. Same is here again. I have underlined the errors and then corrected it. Again, number 5 and number 6 sentence. Choose the correct option to complete the sentences. There are 4 options given, and you have to choose the best one. There are 7 sentences in total. And 3 sentences in the next page. See. So again, children, this is the end of this exercise. Hope you have understood the exercise and seen it carefully. So please fill in your books, and then again let the school reopen, and then your books will be checked. And that's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Revise your lessons well. Bye.